Alright, so in this first problem, I noticed that I have a 25x squared, which is a perfect square, and a 4y squared, which is a perfect square. So we have those differences of the perfect squares here. So what I need to do is make my two parentheses. Now I notice my sign in the middle is minus, which means both of them are going to be minus. The square root of 25x squared is 5x. Those go first. The square root of 4y squared is 2y. Okay, now we can't just leave it like that. We can also simplify this a little bit farther and combine them. So I get 5x minus 2y squared as my final answer, which is choice D. Okay, the second one, we're talking about cubes here. And we have the difference of cubes. We see a minus sign, so this is the formula that we need to use here. So what I need to figure out is what x stands for and what y stands for, and just plug it in. So my x, to find my x, I'm just going to take the cubed root of 64p to the third. Okay, the cubed root of 64p to the third is 4p. So wherever there's an x in this problem, I'm going to put 4p. My y, I'm taking the cubed root of 1. Cubed root of 1 is 1. So wherever there's a y, I'm going to put 1. So now I'm going to do a substitute in x. We said x was 4p. Minus y. Y is 1. Times x squared. 4p squared. Plus x times y. 4p times 1. Plus y squared. 1 squared. Okay, then I just need to simplify here. I get 4p minus 1 times 4p squared. I need to square each term. 4 squared is 16, p squared, plus 4p times 1 is 4p, plus 1 squared is 1. So here's our answer here, which is choice B. Okay, and our last one here, we are, again, the sum of cubes rule. So that means it has an addition sign here, so we have to use this formula here. So what I need to do is figure out what x stands for and what y stands for. So x, I'm going to take the cubed root of t to the third, which is just t. My y value, I'm taking the cubed root of 125, which is just 5. So now I know what to substitute in. I'm going to follow this equation. It says x is t, plus my y value is 5, times x squared, t squared, minus x times y. 5 times t is 5t, plus y squared, 5 squared, and then I just need to simplify this out. T plus 5 times t squared minus 5t plus 25, which is choice B.